In this video we'll talk about the events that take place after the data has been updated, inserted or deleted in the database. And you can see here that there are several events. There's the after update records event, the after update record event, the singular, after insert record event, and after delete record event. So let's take a look at basically what these events do. So first of all, the after update records event is here for backward compatibility with prior versions of Alpha 5, and although it still has some purposes, mostly you'll be using the singular version of these events. So after update record event fires after each row that was dirty has been updated. After insert record event fires after each record that was inserted has been successfully inserted into the database, and after delete fires after each row that was deleted successfully has completed. So the after update records, the plural, this event fires after all of the rows that were updated and inserted have fired. So for example, let's validate that for ourselves by going here and putting in a debug1 statement over there. Then I'll go to after update record, the singular version, and put in a debug1, and I'll go here to after insert record and I'll put in here a debug1, and then let's go now to working preview and make a change to that record, and we'll just enter a dummy new record over here. So what we've done here is we've updated two rows, row number 9 and 10, and inserted one new row. So let's go ahead now and hit the submit. So you can see now that we're currently in the after update record, the singular version event, and if we let's just clear out these properties here and look at e.row number. So we're on the right now we're executing the event for row number 9. So let's hit run, and we'll hit the next breakpoint, which again is inside the after update record, and this time it's for row number 10. We'll hit run one more time now, and you can see now we're in the after insert record event, and the row number now is -1. So the important point here is that the new record rows are numbered with negative numbers. So the first new record row is -1, the second one is -2, etc. So what we can see here is that the after update record, the singular, and after insert record, the singular again, the events are firing before the after update records, the plural event, fires. So now let's go ahead here and hit run, and now we can see that we're in the after update records event, and this event only fires once regardless of how many rows were submitted. So if I just hit run now, you'll see I won't hit that breakpoint again. So at this point we've basically described when the different events fire, but we haven't yet discussed why you might use these events. So now let's sort of discuss some of the type of things you might use these events for. So the after update record event fires after each dirty row was successfully committed to the database, and you might want to use this event to, for example, write a transaction log to some other table. So every time the data was updated in this file, you might want to write another record to some other table, or you might want to send out an email confirmation to somebody. So you might want to do any number of server-side events, and sending out email would be one example of a server-side event. Writing another record to a transaction log might be another event, or you might want to actually send some JavaScript back to the browser to make some change to the HTML that is displayed in the browser. So let's go ahead now and take a look at how you can actually do that. So